In the heart of Zimbabwe, where the Vovhura escarpment once stood as a symphony of natural splendor, a discordant melody now plays, one of destruction and decay. A place that once echoed the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds has been muted, transformed into a silent witness of its own devastation. Vovhura, also known as Wolfshall Pass, was a haven of rugged hills, verdant valleys, and a mosaic of vibrant biodiversity. It was a landscape that captured hearts with its breathtaking beauty. However, the relentless pursuit of gold has scarred this idyllic locale, turning paradise into a wasteland. At the helm of this transformation is Mnangagwa, a name now synonymous with the gold mining operations that have redefined the region's fate. Mnangagwa, the son of Zimbabwe's President Emerson Mongagua, and his business ventures have not only extracted wealth from the earth, but also the essence of Vovhura's beauty. The once lush vegetation that dressed the hillsides has been stripped bare, exposing raw soils and rocky outcrops to the harsh elements. The air, once fresh and invigorating, now carries the acrid stench of chemicals like cyanide, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The transformation is not just a visual blight, but a sonic one as well. The constant rumble of machinery now drowns out the natural symphony of the wild, shattering the tranquility that once defined the area. The natural contours of the escarpment have been brutally altered. Vast open-pit mines and trenches have been carved into the earth, creating a labyrinth of industrial desolation. The impact of these mining activities extends beyond the environmental degradation. The local communities, once custodians of this natural heritage, watch helplessly as their land is turned upside down. The streams, which once flowed with crystal-clear water, now carry a murky, polluted brew, stripping the locals of their primary water sources. The biodiversity, including various plant species and wildlife, suffers immensely, disrupting the ecological balance and the community's way of life. Illegal gold panning activities further exacerbate the destruction, showing a reckless disregard for both environmental regulations and human dignity. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting not just the immediate surroundings, but also the broader ecological network of the region. In conclusion, the story of Vovhura is a poignant reminder of the price of unchecked ambition and greed. The scars etched into its landscape are a testament to the profound environmental and social costs of mining activities. This once pristine escarpment, a jewel of Zimbabwe's natural heritage, now serves as a stark illustration of the delicate balance between human pursuit and environmental stewardship. As the machinery continues to roar, one wonders if the silence of the destroyed wild will ever be broken, or if the echoes of what was lost will continue to haunt the ravaged lands of Vovhura.